Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. LawGuru welcomes you and wishes you Happy New Year. So in this video we will be discussing right of private defense. So today I will give introduction about right of private defense. Let's start this video, and before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get IPC related videos regularly. Let's start this video. IPC Section 96 to 106 states the law or provisions relating to the right of private defense of person and property. The provisions content from Section 96 to 106 give authority to a man or give right or power to a man to use a necessary amount of force against any wrongdoer or any assailant. For what purpose? For the purpose of protecting himself or his any property, either movable or immovable, or the body of another person or the property of another person. When immediate aid from the state machinery is not readily available at that particular time, and in doing so he is not answerable in law for his deeds. For example, if any thief come at your house at night when no state machinery or police is not available at that time, the thief came at your house and attacks you. You beat him with a lathi by using your right of private defense for protecting yourself and your property. You are not answerable. You will only say to police that I have done this act or I have beaten that particular wrongdoer or thief with lathi by protecting myself or using right of private defense. Okay. Section 97 says that the right of private defense is of two types. First, right of private defense of body, and second, right of private defense of property. Now, in the first case, body may be one's own body or the body of another person as well. And likewise, property may be immovable or movable and may be of oneself or of any other person. Self-help is the first rule of criminal law. The first rule of criminal law is to help yourself, then help others. The right of private defense is absolutely necessary for the protection of one's life, liberty and property. It is a right inherent in a man. When a person is born, he or she is born with this right also, that he or she or that person has a right of private defense or has a right or has the power to defend himself against any wrongdoer when the state machinery is not readily available at that particular time. But the kind and amount of force is minutely regulated by law. How much amount of force will be given or how much amount of force should be used in using right of private defense is given in law. We will study it later on. The use of force to protect one's property and person is called the right of private defense. This is the definition of the right of private defense. I hope this introduction is clear to you. In the next video, we will discuss the definition of right of private defense and some more sections related to right of private defense. If you have any doubt in this particular video, please do comment. If you like this video, press the like button, share it and subscribe for more such videos. For then, stay safe. Thank you.